crowded place. I'm actually feeling a little on the claustrophobic side. I hope this ends soon. I'm shooting this on my iPhone. Decided not to take my camera with me into Prague from the what is it, the campground here, the River Prague campground. Oh, here we go. River Prague campground. Anyways, so there's a trail here, or a road that goes out to a station, bus station, and plan is to jump on the tram or on the bus, take it to the tram, take the tram into the inner city. And spend the day in Prague. Lots of recommendations online say at least 2 days to do Prague. But, you know, I hate big cities. There's going to be tons of people. Certainly cycling through last night was brutal. Partially due to the fact that I felt rushed. I had already 120 kilometers on the clock before I even got into the city. So yeah, I was baffed. So it was not a good experience. Oops, it's the river, some sort of riverboat. Anyways, so taking a walk down this lovely, peaceful road right here out of the campground, and gonna go into Prague. So I'll probably just do pictures. If anything, I don't know what to expect. It's really complicated. There's lots going on. I'm only going to spend a day here, and then I'm out. Anyways, that's that. We'll see you in Prague and beyond. Cheers. One more thing before I forget. I am not prepared as much as I should be for this sort of outing. I've got lots of bags on my bike, but I've only got my hip pouch here, and that's it. So I've got the essentials in there. I got to keep it close to my body. Because of the threat of pickpockets and people trying to take advantage. The other thing is it looks kind of cloudy. The weather report said sun all day, but I'm just looking up in the sky and I can see there are lots of clouds. So, and I don't have a rain jacket, so. But, I'm sure there shouldn't be a problem, lots of shelter. Worst case scenario, I get soaked. And that's just the way it is. It's going to be a hot day, so it's all good. Anyways, that's that. Cheers.
What's the name of patron saint of that day? What day do we have to Monday to Sunday? And what is because that ring also moves. And the small door that are on the top, so light is made from magnet. So the lower part is
Crowded place. I'm actually feeling a little on the claustrophobic side. I'll descend soon.
Zobacz, to też jest sobie położyć te ci tam na górę.
And that's it, guys.
Já si myslím, že